Hi guys, hi my beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today's video is going to be a sleek bun tutorial, as you can see on 4C here. So before I get into this video, remember to like, comment and subscribe, turn on that post notification bell, and remember to share this video with anyone that you know that might enjoy it. Okay guys, so let's get into this video. Okay guys, jumping right into the video, you guys can see that I have my Eco Style gel. That is going to be the first thing that I'm using. Now the reason that I use the red Eco Style gel and not the others is because this one holds my hair for long periods of time. But you can use whichever Eco Style gel works for you. You know, this is just my preference. And as you guys can see, my hair is parted down the middle because I'm going to be doing a middle bun, a middle thick low bun. So right now I'm putting gel in the middle of my hair because this area especially needs to be well laid down. Okay guys, so right here now you can see that I'm putting gel in the corners of my hair in the front on both sides, and I'm just using my brush as well as my hand to lay my hairs down. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna use this big headband to tie my hair because I cannot afford to use a regular woogie, especially because my hair is not stretched in this video. I really did not take the time to stretch my hair after washing it, so I'm really struggling to put my hair into one because my roots are really thick and not for it right now, but I really wanted to do this video, so here it is. Alright guys, so now you can see that I'm putting gel over my hair with my hands because I want to make sure that all the flyaway hairs lay down properly and are well slicked so that the hairstyle can last for more than just like a couple of hours, preferably a day. And make sure you want to get those corners of your hair, you know, everything are just sleek and nice and well laid down. Alright guys, so with the remaining of hair that's out in the back, I'm gonna just tie this other headband on it so that my bun will be more of a full bun. Yeah, so now I'm gonna use this other headband now to wrap over the bun, and I'm gonna tie it a couple of times, probably 2, 3, 4 times, so that my bun is well secured and I know that it's not gonna loose out on me in any kind of way. Also with this bun, y'all, since my hair was not like fully stretched or even combed out, I just kind of made the bun into like a messy bun in the back. So yeah, that's what it is. As you can see now, I'm using my gel toothbrush. Yes, I use a gel toothbrush. I know there are edges brushes, but I am old school and I prefer the gel toothbrush. So I'm using my gel toothbrush and I'm just, you know, doing my edges because, you know, you want that finished sleek look, and what says more sleek than some edges? Okay, so that's what I'm doing now. I'm doing that on both sides, swoop those edges, you know, get those hairs. Y'all don't mind my concentration face, it always is looking like I need to use the washroom, but I'm okay. Just kidding. But yeah, I'm just gonna continue to do that, and then I'm gonna use the brush, the edge to brush, to make sure that my edges are well sleeked in to my hair, that it doesn't look separated from my hairline, but well connected, well laid down, and you know, just gives me that finished neat look that I'm looking for. As you guys can see now, I'm just going to tie up my hair with my trusty silky head tie. Now it's always better to use silk because it doesn't take much out of your hair and it just lays your hair down really nicely. So I'm gonna tie down my hair for like 10 to 15 minutes. It doesn't have to tie down this long. It just depends on how long your hair takes to dry and how much time you have to spare. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and share my video. I love you guys so much. Bye.